Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo, YouTube. This video today, I'm going to be showing you a NBA 2K26 VC glitch that's going to supply you with 450,000 VC for completely free. This is using a 2K26 locker code working in 2026 that you can redeem in-game, and it's going to add 450,000 VC to your account. Now, I call this a VC glitch because these locker codes are not supposed to give you 450,000 VC for free. Guys, these cost around $100 if you was to purchase this amount, so this is going to save you a bunch of money, and it only takes about 5 minutes. Before I show you guys how to get your VC, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more 2K26 tutorials. And let's get into the video. So as you can see, guys, you need to use a mobile phone. Now you probably play on a console, so 2K26 you probably play on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, whatever, but you just need to access this website on your mobile phone to get your 2K26 locker code, and then you can redeem it in your game. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So you've just got to type it exactly like this, guys, and what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this codes website. Now, I've used these previously. As you can see, they have 2K25. I believe they even have 2K24. But what we're looking for, guys, is NBA 2K26. So I'm just going to use the search bar because there is too many different pages to scroll through. So once you find the 2K26 locker codes page, go ahead and scroll down until you find the free VC code. So this is a VC code for 450,000. So the reason I call this a glitch, guys, is because most VC codes give you very little, even just like 100 VC, but this one gives you 450,000, so I believe it is a glitched code and it is working right now. So what you need to do is unlock your 2K26 locker code. Now, these are limited codes, guys, and previously they didn't introduce this process, and basically people just stole all of the codes and got millions of VC, so now they've limited it to one code per person. So you need to unlock your VC code. And there is a set of instructions here. It takes about 5 minutes, which I know is a bit annoying, but it is well worth it considering it's about $100 worth of VC. So you need to complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your locker code from Cold Coupons. Now, as you can see, guys, there is a list of tasks here. You may see slightly different ones. I'm in the UK. If you're in the US, you may have different ones, but they're all going to be pretty easy and they're all completely free. They take a few minutes. As you can see, the one at the bottom is a good example of one I can quickly show you. It says download and install this app and run it for 30 seconds. So this one is super easy. You tap on it and download the app. It's completely free, and then you just need to run it for 30 seconds. And basically, these applications sponsor Cold Coupons. That's how they can give us these free VC glitched codes. Once you complete 2 of them, making sure you follow the steps for each one, it will redirect you back to this page, and your VC code will be revealed in this box, and you can go ahead and redeem it in-game. And this is by far the best working 2K26 VC glitch, guys. And yeah, once you get your code, redeem it, and that is going to get you your free VC, 450,000 virtual currency for completely free. So go to Cold Coupons. If you need any assistance, guys, let me know in the comment section below, or drop me a PM, and I'll be willing to help out. Hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.